Good morning, scholars. My name is Miss Horne, and this is our last review lesson for subtraction. Hopefully, you are twinkling this morning and enjoying your activities. All right, so now, in order for you to prove to me that you are the best at subtraction, I've got another set of activities where you're going to check to see if I got the right answer by working some of these problems. So let's get started on our review. Subtraction means to take away from or make smaller. You see a subtraction problem here. I see, and let's count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dogs. And we're going to take away 2 of those dogs. So we're going to cross out 2 here. How many dogs does that leave us with? Take a look at the screen and tell me what you see. Uh-oh. Here we go. Miss Horne jumped the gun. All right, so when we have 8 dogs and we take away 2, it leaves us with 6 dogs. We have 6 dogs left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that. We had to count it just to verify. All right, so that means we've got 6 dogs left because we took 2 away. Some phrases that mean subtraction are find the difference, take away, subtract, and minus. To answer a subtraction problem is called the difference. Find the difference between 5 minus 2. Hold up 5 fingers, take down 2 fingers because the problem says 5 minus 2. How many fingers do you have left up? Correct. You have 3 fingers back up. Correct. Look at that problem. All right, so how to subtract? First, we're going to draw some dots. It says draw 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drew 5 dots. Now it says cross out 2 of those 5 dots. We did it. Then it says, finally count how many dots are left. You do that. You tell me how many. Count them, please. How many do you see? Excellent. You see 3. All right, let's see if we got it right. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Yeah. I got some great subtraction fanatics here. There are 3 dots left, so 5 minus 2 equals 3. Now, I just need to know, can you solve these small little bit of problems? If you can, let me see your work. If you can't, when we come back into meeting this afternoon, I need you to tell me you struggled and which ones you struggled on. Good beans. Good beans. All right. So I want you to try working the problems on this page because I have some subtraction fanatics. And I know they are the bomb.com. So we're going to give them a couple more minutes and you all a couple more minutes to see if you can figure these problems out. The first one says 4 minus 2. Hold up 4 fingers, take away 2. How many do you have left? Excellent. 2 fingers left, just like you said. Good job, ladies and gents. Good job. Now we're going to move on to the next problem, and then we're going to finish up this page. All right, 6 minus 5. That's right, guys. It's 1. What about 7 minus 3? What do you think, guys? I'm hearing some really great answers, and I'm hearing maybe 1 or 2 who just haven't found their niche, but we'll help them out. All right. Excellent. 7 minus 3 is 4. Let's make sure that we're practicing our work. Yep, and we got it right. Good job, guys. All right, now what's 8 minus 4? And if you need... That's right, guys. 7 minus 3 is 4. And our last problem, what do you think that answer is? You did it. It's 4. I love it. You are fantastic, guys. All right, so now you're going to learn how to check your answers to see if they're correct. Take the difference, your answer, and add it to the minuend, the amount being subtracted or taken away. Does the sum equal the original amount? If yes, then your answer was correct. Let's practice. Look, our problem at the bottom says 3 plus 2 equals 5. Here we go. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Therefore, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Woohoo! We got it. All right, so here's another quick check for problems, and this time you're going to check to make sure if my answers are correct. So I'm going to click my answers. Is my first answer correct? I want you to work on that. Actually, I want you to work on this whole screen. Take your time and see if Miss Horne did a good job. If she didn't, then you get to say, Miss Horne, go back and correct your work, or go back and check your work. That will help me know that in the future that the problems that I worked are not correct. All right. You see my screen? Now, I'm not going to hold you up and your family up. I'm going to keep pushing along, and I want you to just pause the video right here, and then when you're ready, start the video up again and keep going. All right, fact memorization. And what does that mean? It means it is very helpful to memorize subtraction facts. Get to know them. They're your friends. This way you can work faster. Make sure to practice subtraction and addition facts every day. Everybody is learning something new every day. Awesome. Let's review. What does subtraction mean? What is your definition? Not somebody else's, but yours. What is your definition? What is the answer to a subtraction problem called? Do you know? Always go back and review the video if you don't. I promise it's a good video. Also, how do you subtract? It's a good question. How do you subtract? And finally, how do you check the answer to a subtraction problem? Whether you show me by words or by pictures or point it out and explain, that's what I'm looking for from you. I don't want your parents' answers. I want your answers. Because guess what? The learning begins with you and stays with you. All right, my lovelies. One last set of practice problems, and then I think you have it. Remember, always pause the video here. That way you can work the problems out and you can see if your answers are correct. And like always, challenge Miss Horne. Did she do a good job? And if you got those answers right, excellent work, my friends. I knew you had it in you. You were just brilliant. All right. And as always, twinkle amongst the stars, because guess what? You are brilliantly smart and my shining star on this awesome Thursday. See you later, guys.